So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to add an email account in your Outlook app. So guys, if you want to add the email account in your Outlook app, so guys, hey, it is very simple. Guys, here you see there is no a mail in my inbox. So guys, first of all, I'm click here. After that guys, go to the option of setting. In the setting section guys, simply move up and select accounts, then add accounts. After that, you click on the option your Google Drive, add subscription and add any Gmail email account. Okay, so just click add an email account. After that, here add Google account, just click it. Okay, when you click it, so it redirect you to the email. So I'm choose my email. Okay, here I'm click my email account. So wait for a few seconds. Now guys, you click on continue, and here you give the permissions like read, compose, send, see, edit, download. And if you want to make some changes, so you make it, otherwise you select all and continue. Okay, then your application authentication is in process, so wait for a few seconds. So guys, here this is your Outlook and this is your Google Mail. Now you go back again, go back, and guys, here you refresh it once. Okay, so go here. So guys, it is automatically sign out, so but in your case it is not sign out, so I'm click on in sign in, so it show me again that you sign in again. Okay, so you simply sign in again and you can easily use your email in your Outlook. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.